Here I am, Horst, your chef. Let's talk pantry. Your pantry is the heart and soul of your kitchen. I call the pantry my best friend, the toolbox of taste and flavor. Besides the usual ingredients like flour, oil, vinegar, sugar and salt, I like to draw attention to the making of freshly prepared herbs and spices, and to maintain good stock rotation of some aromatics bought in your supermarket. A well-managed pantry will make your cooking experience easy and fun. First, I ask you to ditch the old tasteless herbs and spices and replace them with freshly chopped herbs, garlic, chili, onions and ginger. These homemade aromatic oils are the most powerful and best friends in my aroma toolbox. And here in my cooking demonstration you see the smart way of aroma preparation. Instead of peeling onions, garlic, chili, ginger and fresh herbs every day, I show you to prepare and preserve your chosen aromatics in advance. Beside our homemade aroma oil, I also like to use some quality store-bought aromatics like mustard, horseradish, tomato paste, almond and peanut butter and coconut products. And for sweetness, instead of plain sugar, I like to use some fruit jams, cordial and honey. And now I like to place two more important time-saving aroma tools in your freezer. Caramelized onions have a wide range of use and many recipes starting with caramelized onions. So let's chop some onions by hand is nice, however using a food processor is not a crime. But take your time to caramelize the onion to a nice golden brown color. Here in our training kitchen I will show you how. And here a piece of stock magic. For a good sauce you need a good stock. And all the store-bought stock, powder or liquid, is not really delivering a classy base for a good sauce. And the dilemma is my professional classic method is time-consuming and not really practical for home cooking. So here is my aromatic alternative. I show you how to develop a very useful universal master stock base. We are going to produce caramelized vegetables and roasted meat cuts and adding heaps of aromatics and a dense reduction. Then we freeze the roasting base for later use. You will see and understand the time-saving advantage within the first 30 minutes of our cooking session. See you there, Horst, your pantry chef.